So on one of my videos just recently we spoke about a machine that when you pull the trigger the machines are hunting. Now we've come to this machine this morning and what we're finding is we've got dust everywhere, all over the machine itself. There's dirt, everything's corroded because what they're doing is using an acid, so we're running from the tub and the acid spraying. Now when we get hold of this trigger, if you watch what the machine's doing, is low pressure but it was hunting. So the machine was jerk, 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 jerk. So what we're going to do is take the bullet out and check inside that unloader to see if that bullet is okay or whether it's blocked. So we've taken the unloader off the machine and what we're going to do is take this part out here. We'll loosen this off. Let's see what the finding is. Your spring. And inside there's the bullet. So we'll get hold of the bullet. Grit inside there and grit in the bullet and here. Not clear. So 1 second. What I'll have to do is simply airline that, and this looks like it could be the cause, the actual bullet itself. So what we'll do is bullet in the end, that nozzle there, we'll clean it and put it back and see what happens then. So we've cleaned the actual bullet inside the unloader. Now when we test the machine now is back up to pressure. But what is happening is the unloader is dumping still on the return. So if we pull the trigger, yep, you'll see in a second what happens. So if we pull the trigger, the machine's up to pressure, but the unloader is still not right. What we've got is water dumping out. So by the looks of it, there's more dirt inside this unloader and it's worn. Okay, thank you very much, Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.